Now more than ever, small changes can make a big impact on our environment. And it's time to put my household to the test. With 3 kids, a stay-at-home husband, and me, a TV host, media maven, and all-around woman on the go, things are busy around here. But it's important to never lose sight of the bigger environmental picture. So it's time to create more sustainable habits. Okay, time for a family meeting. Daddy's been looking at our purchases and he notices we are using a lot of paper products.
And it's easy not to really think about it, but there's many new ways that we can all make a difference.
And honestly, I've been thinking about it too. We have a project due in school about how we can help keep plastic out of our oceans.
And that's very relatable here in Florida because we're surrounded by water.
So what's the plan?
Well, we're gonna do some research, and Dylan, you can help me.
I'm researching my school project, and look what I found. By 2050, there could be more plastic in the oceans than fish. We need to do more to protect our oceans. I want my kids to enjoy the ocean just like we do now.
Well, that's the point. We want you kids to be good stewards of the earth, so you and your kids and their kids can appreciate and protect Mother Nature.
So it's time to switch it up and find more eco-conscious options to protect the environment. Does that sound good?
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Good, Dill?
Good.
Hey guys, the good news is I found a paper products brand that'll do all the work for us.
Tell us more, Dad.
Well, let's start with the name, Bonterra. Any idea what that means?
I'm studying Spanish, and tierra sounds like earth.
That's right. It's Latin, and terra means earth, and bon means good in French. So voila. You get good earth, quality, and sustainability all in one. And they don't just have toilet paper, they also have paper towels and facial tissue. Daddy just got a bunch on Amazon. And Dylan, I know you like to help Daddy put things away, so do you want to help him with this?
Yeah.
And here's what I learned. Bonterra paper products are made from responsibly sourced paper and wrapped in plastic-free packaging with carbon-neutral manufacturing. Their responsibly sourced 3-ply bathroom tissue is soft and strong. I love the convenience of these paper towels. With 3 kids, this helps us minimize waste. They're strong, absorbent, and convenient. So, not sacrificing comfort, softness, or quality by choosing a product that believes in sustainability. Juliana, great news for your project. They don't use plastic in their packaging. They don't want it in the oceans either. Listen to this. Bonterra has a long-standing partnership with 4Ocean, a premier ocean cleanup company dedicated to ending the ocean plastic crisis. Through this partnership, Bonterra and 4Ocean have pledged to remove 100,000 pounds of plastic from the ocean this year. That's the equivalent of 4.5 million single-use plastic water bottles. I love it, making waves for the world one roll at a time.
That's awesome. I can't wait to start my project. Small changes, big impact.
It's time for us to start using Bonterra. You can get this on Amazon. Dylan, you know what you need to do now. For more information, visit their website or just visit ours at designingspaces.tv.